Hey everyone! Welcome back to another Nintex apps demo. Today, we're going to add a touch of AI magic by integrating a chat assistant into our page. Sounds fun, right? Let's get started. Before we jump in, we need to set up a connection to OpenAI. This happens in the Connections tab. Super easy, just a few clicks, and we're good to go. First, we'll add a sliding panel to our page. We'll set it to slide out from the right-hand side and widen it a bit so we have more space to chat. Next, let's drag a chat component onto our sliding panel. Below it, we'll add a button set so we have a close button to tidy things up. Now for the fun part, the chat settings. We'll keep the chat source as connection response and select OpenAI as the connection. See how the language model selection is populated with OpenAI's models? We'll go ahead and select GPT-4o. All right, now let's fine-tune Wendy's personality. The system prompt determines how our AI behaves, and since we want a warm and friendly assistant, we'll set it to, "You are a friendly and slightly forgetful librarian." I mean, who doesn't love a forgetful librarian, right? We can also personalize Wendy further by giving her a name. Let's go with Wendy. And to make her feel even more welcoming, let's add a nice greeting message. "How can I help you today?" Now, in case anything goes wrong, we'll set a custom error message to service error. And for a fun little disclaimer, let's add, "The librarian is a bit forgetful," just so users know Wendy might lose track of things occasionally. We can even give Wendy a face by uploading an avatar in the Files section. Let's pick something fun. To wrap it up, we'll add an action flow so users can close the sliding panel. And finally, we just need a button to open the panel. And voila, we've got our AI chat assistant, Wendy, ready to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Nintex tutorials, or contact us for more information. See you next time.